10 Healthy Habits for Effective Weight Loss. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: effective weight loss. We will be sharing 10 healthy habits that can make a real difference on your weight loss journey. 1. Start your day with a morning workout. Whether it's a brisk walk, some yoga, or hitting the gym, getting your body moving early can kickstart your metabolism and set a positive tone for the day. To plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. Prepping nutritious and balanced meals will help you avoid unhealthy food choices when you are hungry and pressed for time. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day not only supports your metabolism but can also help control your appetite. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. 4. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods. Load up on lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods are nutrient-dense and will keep you feeling full and satisfied. 5. Practice portion control. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you're eating too much of them. Be mindful of your portions to avoid overeating. 6. Prioritize sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for weight loss. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and cravings. 7. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies you enjoy. 8. Include strength training in your routine. Building lean muscle mass boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories, even at rest. 9. Keep a food journal. Tracking what you eat can help you identify patterns, make healthier choices, and stay accountable to your weight loss goals. 10. Stay active throughout the day. Don't just rely on your workout. Find opportunities to move, like taking the stairs, walking during breaks, or doing a quick home workout. Conclusion: 10 Healthy Habits for Effective Weight Loss. Remember, it's all about consistency and making small, sustainable changes over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching.